scary. I'm going to get showered on. I can just about get in there, I reckon. Oh, I just ate something. It doesn't matter, it's at an angle, does it? It doesn't have to be dead straight. God.
You right?
I feel like my face is being cooked. I feel like I'm frying eggs at like 200 degrees or something.
You're doing it, you getting there?
Yeah, I don't know. Have I still got eyebrows?
Hmm?
Have I still got eyebrows?
You have?
Okay.
You've still got hair.
That's a good thing.
And a face.
And a face. Brilliant. I mean, my moustache needed trimming anyway.
And we've still got a Land Rover as well.
Yes, yes, unfortunately. Oh dear. Well, this is that stupid thick double layer bit, isn't it? So I might be here a little while. So all the rot's been cut out as much as we can. And I've just been grinding away the old wax oil and everything to expose clean metal. So when we put the new metal in, we can weld it to the nice clean non-rusty metal part of the chassis. The leaf spring is fully off. That one was really hard to do. Graham did that. I would have struggled. I've been trying to cut templates for repairing that piece of chassis. We were going to do it as one piece and fold it, but the metal's so thick. Really struggled to fold it and get it at a nice angle. So we're going to do it in 3 pieces. And Graham's now trying to remove the other leaf spring. Changing bushes in spring suck. Poor Graham. He's been at this all day.
How many days? All week?
All week, yeah. So this is the inner part of the bush, which has the rubber around it. But then there's the outer part of the bush, which welds itself into the spring. That's the bugger. Right, it's a real pain to get one of the bushes out, but the other one came out quite easily, thankfully. Bit of heat with a G-clamp. I've just wire brushed this as much as I'm gonna. Just give it a quick spray hammer, I think. I was meant to be doing some welding with Graham. As you can hear, he's welding, but I haven't got a mask, so I can't join in. I can't look at what he's up to. Let's go and have a look. See, look, I'm having a sneaky look now, look. Huh. Wow.
I just turned it down a notch and it's...
That's, yeah, better. The left side's definitely better.
Yeah.
Still.
Very big welder, just need to be good with the grinder.
Well, Graham's done a lovely job of welding this up, but I still have a nice tub of seam sealer, so we can just, you know, sort of smooth out any little bits that, you know, are a bit lumpy, because sometimes you get little tiny pinprick holes that escape the human eye. So just by brushing this on, it's a bit like a filler, really, and it'll just iron it out, really, before we paint it tomorrow. And that's it, day number 2 complete. Welding on this side complete, sealer in place. Probably too much sealer, but whatever. That will go off, and then I'll paint over that tomorrow. Probably just use Hammerite. And then all this side can go back together with the new bushes. I've got poly bushes to go on. I've got to paint the spring tonight at Graham's house, because I ran out of paint and he thinks he's got some, so I hope so, because I need to paint that before it goes back on tomorrow. Yeah, and then we're on to the other side. It all is very dodgy here with wood and wheels, and we're just being extra safe because we're scared. And our axle stands aren't that tall. Yeah, so this spring's got to come off next. And the welding's got to be done up here, wherever it is. There it is. It's not too bad on this side, thankfully. It's only underneath. We haven't got to do the sides, which is nice. Whew. And hopefully I can get this axle cleaned up a little bit as well. Day 3 in the Big Brother house. Graham is still hammering springs. And me, well, I'm sinking the ship. Look at this. This is horrible. I knew there was a little hole. If I can get the torch up there. Nice to show you. Ugh. Yeah, let's turn the light back off. There was a little tiny hole there, and I poked it, and now it's not tiny anymore. And I think the fuel tank's about to fall out. The mounting is here for the fuel tank, and it's just about to come off with a screwdriver. I knew this tank's knackered anyway. I don't use this one. This is the secondary tank, but this whole piece needs cutting out. And to make matters worse, if we shine the torch in there, dun dun dun, absolutely vile. On a good note though, the welding that was done yesterday, the seam sealers all gone off, so I'm going to paint that now. I've cleaned up a few other areas of rust that thankfully didn't make holes, so I'm going to give that a bit of paint as well. And yeah, we're just going to ignore that bit for now, but obviously we will have to do something before I attempt to drive it again. Right, I've had enough of the other side, so I'm over here now because it looks a little bit nicer. All I can see at the moment on this side is this hole. So I've got the grinder out with a grinding disc on, and I'm just going to grind around to see how far this rock goes and how much I need to cut out. Yep, not too bad, just this hole by the looks of it. So I'll probably cut here, here, and to the edge.
Oh, yeah.
At least it doesn't look like there's any wires in this chassis. Graham's still fighting with that spring. I didn't try and do it. He hasn't seen he's got to get these bushes out as well.
My apologies.
What have you done?
The use of that language.
I didn't get it on camera. It's fine. Now, that's the rock cut out.